Hey rail fans, welcome to another episode of Getting Back on Track with Steve and Roxy. So now that we got our portal all printed and in place, it's time to work on the terrain going from the mountains into the valley. So we're gonna get some foam on there, we're gonna get some plaster cloth, some Sculptamold, and we'll get it all painted so it's all ready for us to move on to the next area. So with that being said, let's get this work done.
So first we need to go ahead and get the paint on our tracks themselves. And we only do small sections at a time because the fumes are pretty bad down here in the basement. Once we apply it, we use a wood block to clean the tops of the rails off. This takes a little scrubbing. Then we take our pre-cut pieces and using the hot glue gun, we're just going to place them in, fit them up. Pretty easy to do. Once we're happy with the placement, we're going to take some Sculptamold and we're going to fill a couple of little areas that are gapped up, particularly at the top of the mountain. We want this to kind of blend together a little bit because we're still going to come back and put the plaster cloth on. So here Roxy uses a paint tray, which seems to work really well for doing this. She's going to put the plaster cloth on and just kind of work it down into place. She has a pretty good hand for doing this. I struggle with the plaster cloth because I get it all bunched up and wrinkled up and I get it all over the place, but she's pretty good at this. So we're just going to get it in place and just kind of smooth it out. And we don't worry too much about getting the plaster up on the backdrop because after everything dries, we can use a wet rag and just wipes nice and clean. So it's not really a problem. But we do like to make sure we tape up the tracks because that's really hard to clean up when it's on the tracks. The next step is to go ahead and use our brown paint. We're going to cover over all this white, and we use brown because that way, whenever we put our ground cover in, any areas we might miss, you won't see the brown showing through as much as you would white. Plus, we have a 5-gallon bucket of this stuff. There we go. With everything on there, we can test out the track. Everything runs just nice. It's going to be really good once we get this all finished up.
Well, there you go. It's all come together now. This is a great transition down out of the mountains and into the valley. So going forward, we're going to blend the lower elevations into the upper elevations. We're going to build buildings, place roads. It's all going to come together and be so amazing. So we're really excited to get this done. So you guys, in the meantime, have fun running your trains and working on your layouts. And we'll see you here next time on Getting Back on Track with Roxy.
Hey!
Bye, guys.